What is good, guys? It is currently 50 seconds till market open, and yeah, today we are looking for longs. Ugh. Got an iced coffee here. Fuck, I just spilled that everywhere. Anyways, yeah, so today we're going for longs. We had Asian session. Oh my gosh, what is this lag? Hello? Oh my fucking gosh, dude. Dude, we're glitching out right now. Anyways, we had Asian session, manipulation, plus a reversal, London continuation. We did end up taking out low resistance liquidity. We took out this relatively equal highs, and we also took out New York session high as well. Not real, yeah, New York session high. So yeah, London just opened. Hopefully we can get some manipulation downwards, maybe fill in a gap or whatever, because I'm not really wanting to take out all of this literally right now. But yeah, so we're looking for longs today. Yeah, it's looking good. So let's hope we can get an entry. My thing's broken. Oh, what? There we go. So yeah, there's no high time frame things, nothing really too crazy going on. We just broke structure on the hourly literally just now. So that was on Asian session. Now we've just moved into London session. And yeah, it's looking pretty bright. The future's looking bright, man. Weekly is also looking pretty decent. I don't know if we're gonna go up or if we're just gonna make, sweep this out and just go down even more. It's not looking like it, but we're probably eventually gonna take out these relatively equal lows. I've already said that in my other videos. But yeah, we might be entering like some daily consolidation. As you guys can see, we literally broke structure on the daily, which is not really the best, but yeah, it might just go even down lower, then take out this, then rally up, if you know what I'm saying. That's more the higher time frame. 4 hour is also looking it's looking bearish, and now I'm trying to catch the high time frame retrace. As we can see, there is a gap here. It's already been filled a little bit, and we kind of had a reaction. We had a reaction, but we're coming back into it to fill it even more. So that's what I'm also trying to catch. It's a 4 hour retrace. If it's not a 4 hour retrace, it's a 4 hour reversal. And we did sweep out high time frame liquidity on the 4 hourly down here, right here. So that's also pretty nice. Yeah, nothing else too much. The hourly, we have a gap here. We have New York session high right here, and then we have New York highs, hourly highs here. We're about to take out one of them, which I don't really want to. I'm hoping we don't, but we just might. Wait, what the fuck? We were so close. Wait a second. Yeah, oh, what? I swear that says 518. What? Oh, no, I have a setting wrong. That's why. Whoopsies, guys, whoopsies. 5 decimals. There we go. Yeah, so we're about to take that out. We haven't taken that out yet. And yeah, nothing else too much. We were waiting for a 79% fib closure, which we ended up getting. So now what we want to do is catch a retrace, like retrace down, get confluences, and then see a very big rally up. That's what we're waiting for. But yeah, it's looking really nice for longs. We also did sweep out some low time frame liquidity, relatively equal lows right here, and rallying up. Nothing else too much other than that. We are not in an order block or anything. We haven't like tapped an order block, nothing. We're just waiting for the retrace and then the entry, so then we can target these highs right here, unless we take them out. Potentially even here, and if we have to, we'll target in between like this gap right here. So that's what it's looking like right now. Gotta have some patience. Oh, these iced coffees gotta get a raise. Anyways, I may as well, because I haven't actually really talked about it, and that's work. So recently I well, you guys, if you watch me, and if you guys, like the content, you'll probably know that I haven't been taking a lot more trades recently. Like, we can literally see just on the daily, like, how much more little. Like, look at this. This is literally every single day except for Fridays, right? Because I go to the gym on a Friday, and I haven't been able to for the past 5. I've skipped leg day for 5 weeks now because of work. Anyways, yeah, so haven't been able to work out on Fridays again. Oh, that's Tuesday. That was probably something. But look at this consistency. And then as soon as we got our job, which was literally around here, literally first shift was on Monday, July 21st. That's when we stopped taking trade. We got another shift, and look, it's just been a lot less trades. Like, we can literally see on the weekly, we haven't even taken a trade this week, but look, 2 used to be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 for each one. Now it's been 1. We've taken 1 trade in a week. 2, 3, but that's just opening more positions, and 2. Like, that's the past 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. That's 4 weeks. Yeah, this is literally when I got my job, and we've, stopped quite a lot. So not the best, right? And even on the monthly, we can have a look at how many trades I've taken. This one, I don't even know, but look, I've only taken 5 trades, other than not fucking what we're supposed to be doing. So yeah, not the best, but yeah, work is like casual. So I get pulled up, like they text me, yo, okay, we just took out them highs. Yo, you want to work? So I say, yeah, sure. I usually say, yeah, sure. I haven't said no to a shift yet, so I'm going to have to say that eventually. But, yeah, all I just do is, like, the register or some shit, and it's good pay. But I'm doing it, so obviously I'm going to get a job. Like, that's just stupid, and that'd be sad if I didn't get a job. It's not even bad. Like, it's the best job I could have gotten. I get breaks for longer shifts, over 3 hours. And I get all these things. It's the best job I could have gotten. But we need to get some capital to our name. We need to start making some money. So that's what's happening. I'm obviously gonna miss a few trades. Like yesterday, I missed a trade because of work. But that's it. Alright, finally we're getting a decent retrace. We just hit equilibrium, I think. Yeah, we definitely hit equilibrium. There's no gap here, but this is definitely an entry point here. Yeah, this is definitely 6-1, 618. That's pretty good as well. I'm gonna look for an entry in the 1 minute, I think. I would like to take out this liquidity. I would really like that. If we can't take that out, that's fine. I actually think I'd wait for that. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for that. Anyways, to enter, we want to take out this liquidity, which we just did. We probably will even maybe push into this gap. Hopefully we don't break structure on the 5. No, that's not gonna happen. Or it might, but hopefully we don't go so far down. Like, maybe we fill in this gap, but I don't want to break of structure on the 5 minute, obviously. But 1 minute, we're gonna wait for a break of structure back to the upside. Obviously, once we've, closed and stuff. We're already bearish, and I'll wait for a disrespect on these gaps. Maybe not this gap. Actually, yeah, I probably would, because it's also a 79% fib closure. So that's what I'm looking for. That's a pretty small retrace. I don't even know if we want to push down even more. We might. So yeah, but if we go into the higher time frame, because we can be patient, we just filled in a 15-minute gap. Dude, what the fuck is wrong with my throat? What the fuck? Why is my throat dying? We just filled up this gap. Bang. That's also good. A reaction. I really do think we might get a bit of some blackies down. some black candles down, but that might not be the case. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that definitely might not be the case. So once this 5-minute closes, that's probably gonna be our entry point. Obviously if we disrespect this gap and hit the the 79% fib, I think that's gonna be my entry. But where's the equilibrium on the 15-minute? Yeah, that's pretty low. That's at this gap. That's where I want to see. I really want to see that. 30-minute, it's looking like we're just going to keep going up. And hourly, we just broke structure. We're probably just going to go up more. But I'm not too sure. We're leaving some nice long fucking wicks here. Long wicks. So I think again, if we close nicely, I'm gonna enter that beat. But where's our take profits gonna be? Take profits. Oh no, I don't know, because we want to see some manipulation on London, but I don't think this counts as some manipulation. Now I might be wrong, so also I don't want to just be sitting on the charts for a while, and we are now 20 minutes into market open. It's nothing really to take out. I mean, we could just go all the way down here. That's 20 pips. Remember, it's continuation. Alright, Jits. I think I'm going to enter now. Yeah, I'm going to enter now. Hold on, let me just quickly check the 1 minute. Yeah. Enter real quick. Bang. Send that bitch. Alright, so we are risking, we'll risk 15. We'll risk 15 double cheeseburgers today. And where's our final take profit? Who do we think we are? Anyways, so we entered off of well, we haven't really got our reaction yet, so shit, we kind of just fucked up there. I'm not even gonna lie. That's fine. But shit, that is not actually fine. That is not very good at all. Hopefully we're okay there. So technically we didn't even enter off of a reaction. That was a little bit of FOMO, I think. I can't lie. That might have been a wee bit of FOMO. Hold on. Let's just quickly set this out. So, alright, so we don't really want to, we want to take out this low resistance liquidity. So I'm entering, before we take that out now. And also I'm entering because I think we're going to take out these equal lows, so we may as well enter, and you know, we're not trying to enter up when we do take them out, because that doesn't make sense, right? What else? What the fuck? I have no confluences, dude. What was this? That was terrible. I'm gonna be honest, like, that was a bit bad. Like, I should have waited for the proper reaction for that. It's not the worst. It's fine. But we do have a reaction, hopefully, from Equilibrium and the 618. And then also we do have a 15-minute. That's pretty much a reaction right there. Gap and a reaction. And yeah, long wicks to the downside, going up. We never broke structure, so that's good. Anything else? Not really. We might end up taking out these lows right here, and this is pretty low resistance liquidity. I wouldn't be surprised. So we probably could get a better entry if we end up through. We could have gotten a better entry, but yeah, it looks like we are gonna take them out. That's fine. We might end up just taking out this, filling in this gap, and then going up. So I might have fucked up there. That's okay. If we lose again, that's on me. And also, I shouldn't be saying it because, you know, we're a little bit into my losses, but yeah. We just gotta be patient. We're just gonna be patient. You know, what is what it is, and these things happen. Either way, you know, it was good. It was good. Alright, kids. I'm the kid here. Update on the trade, and we haven't really moved, as you can tell. Yeah. It's kind of just some chop work right now. We got really close to my stop loss, which we might again. We've just been consolidating, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, we got really close to my stop loss. We did end up taking this out. Now, I can't see us going lower because we should be like going up. You know, it should be a London reversal, or it should be London continuation. But we've just been hovering, so that's fine. We might end up getting stopped out by consolidation, which is cool. Just hopefully it goes in my direction, like, overall, even if we lose the trade, because, you know, don't want to, yeah. But hourly, it's actually not looking too bad. It's right now looking like a retrace. This is just going to be the last update. I'm not going to show you if I win or not. That's going to be for tomorrow, because it's getting pretty late. 6:42, I have school tomorrow. But yeah, it's looking pretty nice. It looks like a nice retrace. We did just barely tap into this gap, so we might end up making another hourly candle going into this gap and then rallying up. I'm hoping not, because we moved our take profit stop loss now to 10, because we ended up hitting the relatively equal highs, which we made some new relatively equal highs. But yeah, so that's how it's going right now. It's looking nice, pretty not really decent on here. We're still bullish. Ooh, guys, that's not looking good. Yeah, so I think we're disrespecting this gap. That is not the best at all. So we disrespected that gap, which is pretty terrible. That's terrible. That is very bad. But it looks like we might just have some chop work, which I'm hoping we can just go, not push down to here, obviously, and then go back up. But again, that might be the case because of this. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Laters.